Imagine a giant metal machine standing silently on the launch pad. It looks calm from the outside, but inside, it holds the power of millions of explosions waiting to be unleashed. In just a few minutes, this incredible machine will defeat Earth's gravity and race into the darkness of space. But have you ever wondered, how does a rocket actually do it? Today, we're going to follow the complete journey of a rocket, from a simple idea on paper to an extraordinary voyage beyond our planet. Every rocket begins with a dream. Before a single piece of metal is built, engineers and scientists first decide the rocket's mission. Will it carry a satellite? Will it send astronauts into space? Or will it explore another planet? Once the mission is clear, they begin designing every tiny detail using powerful computers. Thousands of virtual simulations are performed to make sure the rocket can survive extreme heat, violent vibrations, and enormous pressure during launch. Every calculation has to be perfect, because even the smallest mistake could destroy an entire mission worth billions of dollars. When the design is finally complete, construction begins. The rocket's body is built using lightweight yet incredibly strong materials. Inside, engineers install massive fuel tanks, powerful engines, advanced computers, navigation systems, sensors, electrical wiring, and communication equipment. Every single bolt, wire, and component is tested over and over again. In space exploration, there is almost no room for error. Once everything passes inspection, the rocket is carefully transported to the launch pad. Standing upright against the sky, it now looks like a giant tower waiting for its moment. Special fuel is pumped into its enormous tanks, while hundreds of engineers monitor every system from the control center. For hours, they perform one final series of checks. Every sensor, every engine, every computer must report one simple message: ready for launch. Then comes the moment the entire world waits for. The countdown begins. 10, 9, 8. The atmosphere becomes intense. 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Instantly, the engines roar to life. Thousands of liters of fuel burn every second, creating temperatures hotter than lava. Superheated gases blast downward through the engines at incredible speed. According to Newton's third law of motion, pushing gas downward creates an equal force that pushes the rocket upward. Slowly at first, then faster and faster. Within seconds, the rocket leaves the launch pad behind. Soon, it breaks the sound barrier and continues accelerating toward the edge of space. As it climbs higher, the air becomes thinner, but carrying empty fuel tanks only makes the rocket heavier. So once the first stage runs out of fuel, it separates and falls away. Now the rocket is much lighter. Immediately, the second stage engines ignite, pushing it even faster. On larger rockets, a third stage may ignite as well, continuing the journey toward orbit. Just minutes after launch, the rocket finally escapes Earth's atmosphere. Now it enters the silent vacuum of space. There is no air, no wind, only darkness and endless stars. Traveling at nearly 28,000 kilometers per hour, the rocket reaches orbital speed, fast enough to continuously fall around Earth without crashing back down. Finally, the most important moment arrives. The rocket gently releases its precious cargo: a satellite, a space telescope, or perhaps a crewed spacecraft. With a gentle push, the payload begins its own mission. Some satellites watch Earth's changing weather. Others provide GPS navigation, television broadcasts, internet services, and global communications. Some explore distant planets, while others help scientists unlock the mysteries of the universe. The rocket's job is now complete. Some modern rockets perform an incredible feat of engineering. They turn around, descend back through the atmosphere, and land safely on Earth, ready to fly again. Other rocket stages continue drifting through space or burn up as they re-enter Earth's atmosphere. What's truly amazing is that this entire journey, from liftoff to reaching orbit, takes only about 8 to 10 minutes. But behind those few unforgettable minutes lie years of research, countless failed experiments, millions of hours of engineering, and the dedication of thousands of brilliant minds. Because a rocket is more than just metal, engines, and fuel. It is humanity's greatest symbol of curiosity, proving that no matter how strong gravity may be, our desire to explore will always reach higher.